Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video of me putting this hair in. It is the Freetress Braid Butterfly Locks in the color 1B. So we're going to be installing this, and it's 24 inches. And so I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I braid my hair down and how I install the hair. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so we can get started with the parting, or basically like sectioning off my hair. And my hair is like freshly washed. See me looking over here. I am looking in the mirror. And my parts are not going to be perfect, and I don't really care. So right now I got to part it into 3 sections. I'm going to moisturize it first before I put it in. I'm just moisturizing it with some olive oil and some, whatever this is, Creme cream, but it works good as a moisturizer for me. Again, with these parts, I don't really care if they're straight. Now, I think I'm gonna do 5 braids on each side in the front, so a total of 10. Let's see, that's straight enough. So the front is completely done, and all I have left now is the back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the back. So back here, we're gonna be doing 5 braids. So basically, I'm just gonna go in between each 2 braids and do one big one. Like that. So, as you can see, the braid is now connected. Just grab that other braid. Got 1 bottom braid, but 2 separate ones right here. Alright, so It's all connected now. Now it's time to start installing the hair. So this is what it looks like. Nice cute butterfly lock with my crochet needle. Put the needle through first. Put the hair on. Close it. Pull it through. Put the end through that opening and pull. So as you can see, I'm done. I'm done with my hair. That's a lot of hair. It's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. I might keep this hair in for maybe 3 weeks, because I do like to change my hair often. And I like to let my hair breathe also between styles. I mean, I typically do. I think I will do a second video on this hair, just for like a video on how I style it, how I style this hair. Of course, this is one way. This is probably like the easiest way, but I'm sure I'll come back with the video a little bit later on different styles that I wear with it. This is it. This is where it stops. Right from my waist. I will have the link for this hair in the description box below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, share this video, all that good stuff. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I will see y'all in the next one, which will be coming very soon. Bye.